Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about how to create a chart in PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a great tool for creating presentations, and charts are an effective way to visually represent data. The first step is to open PowerPoint and create a new slide. To do this, go to the Home tab, and in Home tab you can just use the new, and from here, just for now I'm using the black presentations. Now you can see this is the PowerPoint, the new I opened, and just what can I do? Go to the insert, and here you can see there is nothing, like you cannot see in any chart or any data in here. Before that, I'm gonna use to take out this title bar and also use the subtitle take out. And then what I'm gonna do, like you can just use the more slide, just right click on it and use the new slide from here, so you can use for the new slide. But I'm gonna do, I just click on the slide, then go to the layout. In the layout you can see title and content, so I select title and content. While I click on title and content, here you can see in the first one is click to add title, and next one is click to add text, and the little bit bottom you can see there's also the insert table, and there's also insert chart, and also few options is there. But today I'm going just showing you the insert chart. So I click on the insert chart. When I click on the insert chart, you can see now there are also about the all charts. They are like it say the recents, or the next one templates. Then next one you can click the columns, it's already selected. When I click on the columns, now you can see there's the columns, some columns is there, and next you can just customize it. The next one you can use the chart as the line, just it will visual like this, you can see at a glance. Then next one you can see the pie. When you click on the pie, it will come like this and it will visual like this. Then the bar chart is come up like this. So when you click on the bar, it will come the kind of bar chart in your presentation. Then same as you can use the areas, it come up like this. And the next one you can see the sketcher like this, and map you can use also, and you can also use stock chart, surface and radars, tree map, and sunburst, and also the kind of here few options that you can use as a chart. But for now I'm using just a simple one. I'm going to show you it's about the column. Let's see so how it will come. When I hit on the column, then you can see in the right side there is a few chart, so you can select from them and you can use. For now I'm just using the simple one. For now I'm using the cluster columns, and hit on the OK. Then when I hit on the OK, now it's come up with Excel sheet, and it's a first row. In the second column there is a series 1, series 2 and series 3, and here in the chart you can see the series 1, series 2 and series 3. And same as the left side, you can see the categories 1, category 2, categories 3 and categories 4. You can just customize the data, and this is the data chart. Just you can just resize your Excel for your presentation. And then what can you do? Just edit the information, the data. For now, just if I say 2020, the next one if I say 2021, and then next one if I say 2022, and then next one I can say 2023. If I say like this, now you can see in the chart it's changed, like the particular value, axis measure grid lines you can see here is now changed. And the category, if I say this is the kind of the chart about the sales in your shop, so if I say this is the item, like if I say the phone, and the next one if I say the laptop, if I say the mouse, and if I say the keyboard, now you can see when I typed in here, now it's changed the phone, laptop, mouse and keyboard. Okay, now I want to show you just comparing how it will shows up. When I using the here is the sum value, you can see this is the 4.3, it's about a 2020, and here this is the 2020 and its color is selected here. This is the color, it's for the 22. It means the font in the 22, if it is a cell, so it's cell 4.3. here the value is 4.3. if I change the value, like if I say the 75, and then next on the laptop if I say the 65, and if I say the 85, like this is just an example, just I'm gonna showing you 80. When I changing my value or data, when I'm doing the editing, so now you can see it's now changed the chart. Then if I say this one 90%, and if I say mouse the 75, and if I say 85%, just this is kind of example 90%, and if I say 68, 55, 67, and if I say the 587, before that what I'm gonna do, I just take out, and I can just take out for 24, move it to the range, and here I can use 95, 85, or I can say the 86. Okay, when I click it here, now you can see this is the kind of range. And if I say the title, if I say the sales report, okay, now you can see this is the kind of the sales report. And then you can just use the chart title the same, just click on copy it and take in there. If I click on there, then paste in there, now you can see, and just take out the one, okay, and take out the whole text box. Now for now I'm using the one, okay. Now you can see this is the kind of chart. It's about the shop top sales report in your shop. Is like here is the phone, laptop, mouse and keyboard, okay. Here you can now see this is the, it's like 2022, and this is the 22, the phone sale in the here 75%, and the 2021 phone sale in the 80%. You can see now it's matched with the our data, you can just see it. Then so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the chart format. Before that I want to just cancel it. Now you can see this is the kind of the chart at a glance, and you can understand see what it's about and how it gives you the information that here you can see in the chart. And here the chart style, you can also change the chart style. Under the chart design, you can use the chart style from chart group, and you can use from of them. So whatever do you want to show up to for your presentation, like here just select on them and you can change the chart style, so whatever you want. Okay, for now if I say the style 81, so you can now see this is the change the style. And you can also change the color. Click on the color, and if you want to change the different color, whatever, like if you want to use, just click over the color and it will come up the like this, whatever you choose for your presentations. Okay, for now I'll just choose one of them, and now you can see this change the color. And also you can customize the your data from click on the edit data, and it will come up again the Excel about the top sales report in your shop. So for now I'm just doing the cancel it, and you can add the more columns. And then how can you do that? Just take your cursor and drag down to your column or row, whatever you want to use. Then you can see is now little bit give the space for your report. Like if I say 2024, so you can now see select another, and there is another color. If I say 2025, you can see now it's come up like this, and you can use the data in here for your presentation. Okay, for now, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do, like there is the options is about the chart style, set a chart style color scheme for the chart. I have told him before it's about, and they are also about the chart filter. You can use the chart filter if you want to show up your chart like different year. Like if I take out the 25, 24 and 21, let's see how it will come. If I click on the apply, so it's come up like this. And if I use 24 and 25th and also like 21 and take a 22, now you can see it's now changed and it's a filter the your value. Same as you can do also category. You can, if do you have the lots of items in your shop, just you can edit from here and you can show up to your presentation and in your slide. Okay, and also you can use the name from here and you can use the non like this, so it will come up here. And you can also use the columns, so it shows up the column here. And if you want to use the different way, just click on the select data and you can just edit it. You can select the range, so which range do you want to use for your data. And what I'm gonna do, click on the there and go to the select data. When I click over, now you can see there's a legend interest, so it's a series and this is the horizontal, so you can just customize it from edit and you can also add from here, and also you can edit data for your presentation. Okay, for now I'm just do the, if I select 20 and 21 all of them, and if I hit on the okay, let's see how it will come. It's now come over 20 and 25. Then I do the cancel it. Then you can use this chart as a different style. So how can you do that? Just chart design, and you can also use chart design and use the, like if you want to change the data level like center, so where do you want to use the data level or data table. Like if I click the title here, it say primary horizontal and primary vertical, you can see. And when I click the chart title, you can see above chart, or where do you want to use, or you can use the centered overlay, or you can use the more title options and their data level. So it's about the center and inside the int. So let's see, when I taking my cursor and you can see it's not changing here the level, the you can see center, inside bar, base, outside int and data collect. You can see here the kind of coming, and you can use the more data level options for here. And data table, you can now see how it's changing. And then error bars, here you can see standard and grid line. You can see now it's selected primary, major, horizontal, and you can do the primary, major, vertical, and you can use the primary, minor, horizontal and primary, minor, vertical, you can see. And also legend, you can use the legend as like if you want to use the right 2022 and 2024, so you can use, and you can use like top, and you can use the left. What do you prefer to use? And if you want to use the bottom. Okay, for now if I say the left, so when I click on the left, so it's come up like this. We'll go to the quick layout here, use the different style, and you can now see the style is changing. Okay, this is the layout. How do you want to show up your presentation? Okay, click on there, and now you can see it's give up the also the 70% or 80% is come up very easily, and you can also change whatever you want. Then I'll want to change my this chart as a different one. So how do I want to do? Just go to the again and use the pie one, click pie and okay. Now let's see, it's come up like this. This is the pie chart and there is no information. So how can you do that? Just go to chart design and use like the chart title and chart level. You can use here whatever you want, and if you say legend, your top, or do you want or bottom, it will come up like this. And you can edit that data, click on them, edit data. From there you can just edit your data, and you can also use the filter like chart filter. Click on the there, just you can see here is the filter one, and you can see it's changing. Okay, and you can also the same as the before, just select data. It can be edit your data for your presentations. Okay, for now I am doing the cancel. And in the chart style, you can see there's the few chart styles. So whatever you want for your presentation here, whatever you like, there's a different chart style. Just click over there and you can see this changing your style. And also you can use the chart style with the 3D. Click on the change chart type, and with the 3D pie you can use as a 3D. Click on over there, and now you can see this change the 3D style, and click over there, and now you can see, and you can change also. Again, you can customize your color from change color whatever you want for your presentations or for your flow chart. Here now you can see. Okay, and you can use the different, and it can be like this. And you can also set chart color scheme, same as it will come up like this. So it's very easy to do, show up your chart as a bar, as a line, and as a columns, and also the as pie. Then same as you can do, change your style. Okay, once you are happy with your chart, it's time to save it, use in your presentation. Just to do this, simply just click on the save, and also you can use the Ctrl S. You can also copy and paste your chart into other slide or document as needed. And there you have it, folks. That's how you create a chart in PowerPoint. Charts are a great way to visual presentation data, and PowerPoint makes it easy to create themes. So the next time you are putting together a presentation, be sure to use chart to help illustrate your point. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.